Hi and welcome to another product from fobfix.com. Today we're going to be showing you our late model Mark 8 key programmer, and we're going to be programming a key to this 19 plate Transit. It's currently got the two factory keys already programmed. It's got this one which obviously opens the vehicle, and it's got the standard fixed blade key. It's currently in for a bit of work, is this, down at a friend of mine's garage. So there will be a few messages popping up on the dash that are not related to key programming, but we'll explain those to you. So we're going to be programming this key, which is already cut, but it's not currently programmed to the vehicle. And if we jump in and try not to sit on the programming and keys, pop those to one side, you jump in and pop the clutch down, and if I show you, don't crank at all. And eventually, once it got past all the AdBlue and the oil change messages, it would say no key detected. So that one is not a currently programmed key. So let's pop that up there. Now, like our other devices, the programmer has three modes, which are selected by these switches on the front. You've got check number of keys mode, add key mode, and delete key mode. We'll go through those ones as well, but for now we need to find out where this little gizmo plugs in. And on the late model Mark 8, it's here where it's marked OBD. We just pull this panel down. I get a bit of a light source, I can show you that one. And on the late models, the OBD socket is black. Now the early model Mark 8s, which go from 14 to early 16, generally have a white OBD socket. So the late 16 to 19 have the black sockets. And that's where the unit's going to plug in, with the switches facing up. Now the unit does need the ignition turned on when performing any of the tasks. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to check the number of keys that are programmed. So if we pop in the fixed blade key, turn the ignition on, ignore the beeping from the dash as it gives us a lot of messages. So check key mode is all four of these dip switches down, and then we plug the unit in, and what we'll do is gives you the three lights to make sure it's up and running, and it'll flash orange quite a few times, and the dash will chime and the lights will flash as it logs into the body control unit and extracts the information it needs. Just keep an eye on the LED on the unit, and you'll hear the beeps to say we've got 1, 2 keys programmed. There we go. So that's the and then we turn off, and now we could start the vehicle actually if we wanted to. Let's it seems we've got a valid key in. Let's just show it starting. Yeah, right, that's fair enough. Now let's do the add key. So we'll take these two working keys out, just pop them down by the side. This is the key that doesn't start the vehicle and doesn't work the remote. So pop that in, ignition on. What we need to do is set switch number 4 up, and that's the add key mode. Now when we plug this in, we'll get an extra blue flash and a beep when we plug it in to say we're in add key mode. And what we're waiting for is it'll do the bit where it resets the body control unit, loads of orange flashes, and we're waiting for a long beep, high beep, and a bright blue light, and that tells us to cycle the key in the ignition. Just wait for that. There we go. Off, back on, and if we watch the hazard lights and hear the horn, key program successful, and the unit will now count the number of program keys. 3 keys now programmed. Turn it off. Test the key. I try to lock it with the doors open. It's the horn. I'll pop that back in the ignition, and start the vehicle. Now we'll do the the last mode of the programmer, I'll pop that out, which is the delete key mode. This can be used with caution, but obviously if you've got a van where you don't know how many, or it's got more than 2 keys programmed to it and you don't know where all the keys are, one of them's gone suspiciously missing, you can use this mode to delete all the keys to the van. Now, once all the keys have been deleted from the van, you will need to program at least 2 keys for the van to start. So what we'll do is turn the ignition on with any of your keys. It doesn't have to be a program key, it just needs to be the ignition on. Let's pop that on. Switching that number 3 up, and we'll get 2 blue flashes when we plug it in to indicate key delete mode. There's 2. It will go through the usual rigmarole of resetting the dash, blah blah blah, and eventually it will count the keys and it will give us 5 beeps, which is to indicate there's 0 keys programmed. And it will also say no key detected, not enough keys learned. Now, there's a quirk of these vans, because these 2 keys were already programmed. If we try and turn the ignition on with these keys, it will automatically add them back in. So this one in again. And that's added the minimum of 2 keys back in. There we go. And it has obviously deleted the one that we'd previously programmed. So there you go. Pretty simple, nice and easy. 16 to 19 plate transit key program from FobFix. See you soon.